Today I'm going to show you how to find survey respondents. Thankfully, we already have the site with the contact information of the personnel already. Here we have the instructions how to generate the email addresses. Let's check this other site. Yeah, whatever. Now, with the perfect email address list that we have, we can make the message. The message should include information about the topic of the survey, why the topic is important and relevant now, why the person has been invited to take part, is the survey anonymous, etc, etc. Yeah, let's start making the With all said and done, we can send the emails. It's good to think when you should send the emails, because we want them to answer it, not just check on it. So I wouldn't recommend sending them on mornings nor Mondays. With good luck, we get so many answers we don't even have to send reminders.
The next day. Three days later. A week later. A week later. Four to 6 weeks later.
Whatever.